Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We will be looking for a Max Olympiad problem. So the question is given: let A and B are complex numbers such that A plus 1 into B plus 1 is equal to 2 and A square plus 1 into B square plus 1 is equal to 32. Compute the sum of all possible values of A to the power of 4 plus 1 into B to the power of 4 plus 1. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here the question is somewhat logical question. That's why this question is selected. You have to find the values of a power 4 plus 1 into b power 4 plus 1. So let a power 4 plus 1 into b power 4 plus 1 is equal to, you take as x. So that implies a to the power of 4, b to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus 1 is equal to x. So that one we are taking off first one. Now if you take the second one, second one what is given? A square plus 1 into b square plus 1 is equal to 32. A square plus 1, b square plus 1 is equal to 32. If you multiply this, a square b square plus a square plus b square plus 1 is equal to 32. Okay, from this you can write two values which will be further useful. A square plus b square plus 1 is equal to 32 minus a square b square, or otherwise you can write it as a square plus b square is equal to 31 minus of a square b square. In the future we will use these two values. So that's why these two values are writing. Now taking this and squaring on both sides. A square b square plus a square plus b square plus 1 whole square is equal to 32 square, that is nothing but 1024. Now this I am taking as a and this as b. So a square a power 4 b power 4 plus b square a square plus b square plus 1 whole square plus 2ab 2a into b a square plus b square plus 1 is equal to 1024. Now if you expand this, a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus 1 plus 2a square b square plus 2a square plus 2b square. This one you are getting 2a power 4 b square plus 2a square b power 4 plus 2a square b square is equal to 1024. Okay. Now this is nothing but x value. Here this is x value. So I am taking this as x and sending all the terms to that side 1024 and taking 2 common. So here we'll get a power 4 b square. First one I am writing this. Next one a square b power 4. Second one I am writing. Next 2a square b square. So here we are having 2 times. So I am writing only one time. Plus a square plus b square. So we are taking a common 2 common. Now further this one I will solve. So that I am taking separately in the box and I will solving that value. So here this value can be written as a square b square. If you take common, a square b square common in this. So here you'll get a square plus b square plus 1 plus here a square b square plus a square plus b square. Now this can be written as a square b square into this value a square b square plus 1 already I wrote here. A square b square plus 1 is equal to 32 minus a square b square plus this a square b square value. You will get 31 minus a square b square value will get 31 now. A square b square plus a square b square is 31. So this is the value you are getting in the box. Now x is equal to 1024 minus 1024 minus a square b square. So 2a square b square you are having bracket 32 minus a square b square plus 31. Now here the what is required value we have to find is a square b square. If you find the value of a square b square, the problem is completed. Now from the first equation a plus 1 into b plus 1 is equal to 2. A plus 1 into b plus 1 is equal to 2. If you multiply ab plus a plus b plus 1 is equal to 2. A plus b is equal to 1 minus ab. Now we know the identity a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now in the place of a plus b write the value a square b square is equal to 1 minus ab whole square minus 2ab. Now a square b square value, here I got a square b square value a square b square value is 31 minus a square b square, that we are writing here. 31 minus a square b square is equal to 1 plus a square b square minus 2ab minus 2ab. So 31 minus a square b square is equal to 1 plus a square b square minus 4ab. So let us take y is equal to ab. Y is equal to ab. So here you will get 31 minus y square 1 plus y square minus 4y. If you solve this, 2y square minus 4y minus 30 is equal to 0. Y square minus 2y minus 15 equal to 0. So if you find the factors, y value will get minus 3 or 5. Y value minus 3 or 5. Now if you substitute the values here, x is equal to, so here we got x value, x is equal to 1024 minus 2 of a square b square bracket 32 minus a square b square plus 31. Okay, you are substituting that value here. So this is nothing but AB value minus 3 or AB value 5. So here what will get 1024 minus 2 into a square b square means 9, 32 minus 9 plus 31. So if you solve this, you will get 1024 minus 476. You are getting 548. Now if you take the second one, 1024 5 you are taking minus 2 into 25, 32 minus 25 plus 31. Now if you solve this, you will get 1024 minus 412. So here you are getting the value 612. So on adding both of these, you have to get the sum of these two values. 548 plus 612, we are getting 1160. So I hope you like the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.